p.m. Sunday, September 9th. And I just wanted to show you the difference between Sunday as opposed to Friday the 14th. And check it out, this is Hurricane Florence. And this thing, I don't know what this is. Somebody tell me what this thing is. Anyway, I know you've heard about her, you've seen her on TV. She's kind of dirty. Florence is just not a friend that you want to have. And well, in this case, we like her because she spared us. Despite the widespread panic that happened, it's kind of crazy. There was no gas, no bread, no water, no PB&J, nothing. Because everybody freaked out and they thought this Category 4 was headed for us, but it turned out it wasn't. So, right now we're just doing what we do out here. When there's a hurricane, tropical storm, we come out to the beach. And we bring our dogs if we got one. Yeah! Alright guys, so we're gonna stop the video right there because I just want to rewind a little bit. There was actually some really cool stuff that happened before the scene that you just saw. So, hey, let's just get back into that. Yeah! Virginia Beach, it's super windy, and it's windy because this is Hurricane Florence. We got lucky and it didn't actually hit us directly, but you guys gotta check this out. The wind is blowing so hard that it's blowing the Ferris wheel. So they were saying that they don't lock it down because it needs a free spin or else it may damage the Ferris wheel. So that's why you see it moving in the background. Some of the shops here are boarded up. It's nuts. Sandbags over here. Starting to rain now, and it's probably one of the rain bands that we're getting. The waves weren't that high. I've seen the waves larger than that before. I'd say the coolest thing out of all of it is the Ferris wheel that you see free spinning. So we're gonna head back to the Jeep and probably head to the jetty. But we gotta climb over this big, huge sand pile. The city put this here to protect the Grommet Park. Oh. Now that's something you don't see every day.